Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today, I'd like to share with you my last paper pumpkin alternative project using the October 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Peaceful Christmas. This fun kit created 10 cards, 5 in each of these designs, and if you're interested in seeing me unbox this kit or watching my other alternative projects, you can click up here in the top right corner and it will take you to my playlist. This project focuses on using just the stamp set from the kit. Each month, I provide my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with an exclusive card kit designed by me. This is the card they will be making with their kit. If you would like to also receive this extra perk, you can sign up to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription by using the link below in the description box or visiting my blog, creativechelsea.com. So let's go ahead and get started making this card. So this is the fun stamp set that came in the kit. It's got some great greetings. I really love this tree line of pine trees. And then we've got some snowflakes up here. And so I really wanted to incorporate both of those images and then give you a nice big label so that you can choose which stamp greeting to add to your card. I'd like to keep these cards nice and simple so that all stampers can make them. And I also wanted to create a nice peaceful feeling with this card. So you'll notice that I'm using a basic white as well as very vanilla cardstock, and I think those two colors together achieve that look. Now the two ink colors I'm using are Night of Navy and Shaded Spruce. And you did receive a Shaded Spruce in your kit, and it's a small ink spot. And then you can use any blue color ink that you have. It doesn't have to be Night of Navy. So I have a card base that is the thick basic white cardstock. I have my very vanilla piece that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I have a strip that is 2 inches by 4 inches, as well as a 2-inch circle. So let's begin by stamping this beautiful tree section on my card. So I've got my tree image on my clear block, and I'm inking it up in Shaded Spruce. And I've got some different tones of this ink color here. So my first layer is just straight on color. Just like that. Then my second row has a stamped off and then stamped on so that we can get that lighter color as it moves back on the cardstock. And there is a little bit of overlapping. This should go right about center in that strip. Then our last row has 2 stamped off. So 1, 2, and then we stamp on. Just like that. So that piece is now ready for our card. So next on our very vanilla piece, we're going to ink and stamp up our snowflakes in our blue color. And I'm going to be stamping these about 1 1/4 inches down from the top of the very vanilla cardstock, and then about 2 inches from the bottom. We're just needing to focus right along that edge where we're going to place the tree piece that we just stamped. So it'll be something like this. Then on our circle label, you're going to ink and stamp your greeting in the same blue color. Okay, so now we can just put our pieces together. Just add a little adhesive behind the trees, and then use your grid paper or a ruler to make everything nice and straight. And you're looking for 1 1/4 inches. So that is 5 of these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this just sits right along that line and comes straight across. So you can see here we've got some of those snowflakes peeking out. If by chance you want to add a couple extra, just go ahead and carefully stamp those. Just like that. So next, go ahead and fold your card base in half, and you're going to add that very vanilla with some dimensionals to the front. And there should be just a border, about 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. So next you're going to add some ribbon, and I've got the metallic mesh ribbon in silver, and it's just got this fun little sparkle to it. And I'm going to lay that over the bottom half of the trees, and I need to just add a little adhesive right where my label will be, and that's what's going to hold this onto my card. Then take a good pair of scissors and just trim it right along that edge. So you'll get something like this, and it just adds a really fun shiny element to your card. Then you're going to add your label with some dimensionals right over that metallic mesh, and that's going to help hold that ribbon down. Then the last thing I'm going to add are some rhinestones, and I'm going to place 5 on the card. I'm going to place a large one and a small one near the bottom, and then maybe a medium-sized one in the trees, and then 2 small ones up at the top, just to add a little extra bling to our card. And that card is all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this beautiful card using just the stamp set from the October 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you'd like to get written instructions or see close-up images of this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.